Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial series on Java Technologies Lab. So in this video we are going to look at program 11. So let's see. So the aim of this program is to create a JSP page for demonstrating the concept of Java Beans and to use or implement that Java Bean using an action tag called UseBean tag. Okay, so there are two things in this. First, we are going to learn about what is a Java bean and how to create a Java bean, and then how to use that Java bean or implement that Java bean in our JSP page using the use bean tag. Okay, so first thing is, let's see what is a Java bean. So if you see here, you think of a Java bean as simply a Java class that follows some conventions. Okay, so all of you have already learned core Java. So in core Java, you already came across how to create a Java class, right? So it is same as creating a Java class, but we will follow some conventions. Okay, so what is a Java Bean is? It is a platform independent component. Component means you think of a file which contains Java class. Okay, so it is a platform independent component which allows the users to reuse that code. Okay, and what does it allow us to do is Java beans can be used to encapsulate many objects into a single object, which we call it as a bean. So bean means it's a Java class, so it contains uh, other objects and also some variables and methods. Okay, so that's a Java bean. So it's just a portable code which we can use across different Java applications. Now, what are the advantages of these Java beans? So first one is exposure to other applications. Means we can just simply create a Java class. A Java bean, and you can use it in servlets. Okay, so we have already discussed servlets, so we can use them in servlets. We can use them in JSP pages. Okay, etc. So this is the meaning of exposure to other applications. So next one is you can use the beans for registering to different kinds of events. So you can take the examples of classes in AWT package, okay, and also swings package for this. So we have so many event classes in these packages, right? So all these event classes are suitable for this registration to receive events. And next one is ease of configuration. So you can store all the configuration details in the Java beans and just call the object for that class and use that. And next one is like we have seen in the previous slide, it is portable. So you can use them on different systems with different OSs and different hardware. Okay, and also it is lightweight. Okay, it's just simply a Java class, no need of any other thing. Now, how to implement the Java beans or use the Java beans in JSP pages? So we have an action tag called UseBean tag. So in one of the previous experiments, we have already seen the JSP forward tag, right? JSP forward. Okay. So what is the use of forward tag? To simply uh, send the control or shift the control from one page to another resource, right? So this is another action tag called useBean tag. So what is the use of this? It is used to locate or create an object for a bean class. Okay, use it to locate or create an object for bean class. So this is the syntax for useBean tag. Okay, so you will start the tag with writing JSP useBean and you can use different attributes. So one attribute is id, like it is used to just give some name to the bean. And second attribute is scope. Okay, third attribute is class. So I already told you, no, bean means just a Java class. So here you will specify where is the class. Okay, and next attribute is type attribute, and last one is bean name attribute. Okay, so when I am demonstrating, I will use only one attribute called class. Okay, all right. Now, whenever we are using Eclipse for creating a bean class, you should remember these 2 points. So first one is, whenever you are adding the bean class, you add it to a new package. So don't forget this. So whenever you are creating the Java bean class, you add it to a new package. If a package is not there, create the package and add the bean class to this package. And second step is, don't forget to create the default constructor for your bean class. So whenever you create the bean class, you have to create the default constructor. Okay, right. Now this is the output of the program. So output is very simple. So whenever you execute or display this JSP page, it will access the data from the bean class, and it will display the data here like this. Student name is so and so, student age is so and so, and finally student grade is so and so. So that's it regarding the theory. Now let's see the demonstration. Okay, so I already created a project called Java Bean demo. So for creating the project, go to file menu, click on new, and click on dynamic web project. Okay, so give some project name. I have given Java Bean demo as the project name, and click on finish. That's all. Okay, now let me close these things. So again, the entire code will be available in the video description. You can download it and use it. uh, okay, so first step is creating the bean class, right? Now what you will do is, click on the project, new class. So let me see what is the class name I have given here. Okay, I have given the class name student.java. So what you will do is click on new class. Okay, name is student. Now see that there is a package name here. Okay, I already have a package name created called beans. So if you don't have this, you have to create a package name. This can be anything, ABC or XYZ, any package name you create, and you give some class name like this and click on finish. Okay, so then you will get the class like this. You will get the package name at the top, and your class will be created like this. Okay, now inside this class you have to write this code. This entire code you have to write inside the class. So let's see what is the class. Very simple class. There are three attributes: name, age, grade. There is a default constructor, which is it is not doing anything, and we have written setter methods for name, age, and grade. Similarly, we have written getter methods for name, age, grade. That's all. So this is our bean class, and bean class name is student, and it is available in the package beans. So remember this. The bean class name is student, and it is available in the package beans. So next what you have to do is right click the project, new. Now create a JSP file. Okay, give some file name here like index.jsp and click on finish here. Okay, so I already created the page index.jsp, very simple page. So this is the JSP code. Okay, so after creating the bean class student, how to implement or use the bean by using the action tag useBean, right? Okay, so here I have given the ID. Actually, this is not needed. You can remove this if you want. You can delete it, but okay, let me leave it like that. So I have given some ID to this, and this is very important. Class is equal to the package name and the bean name. I already told you now. The bean class name is student. It is available in the package beans. So that's why we are writing beans dot student. That's all, and close the bean. Okay. Now what we are actually doing in this line is we are creating an object for the class student. That's all. Okay. And that object name is this. Fine. So using this object name, I am writing student dot set name Raj, student dot set age 20, student dot set grade A. Okay. So I am storing some values into the object, and again I am printing them out using student dot get name, student dot get age, and student dot get grade. That's all. Okay. So let me run this. Select the server, finish. Okay, so Tomcat is already running. So okay, Tomcat service is already running, so you have to stop it. Okay, now let's run the page. Finish. Okay, this time it is starting. Okay, the page is loading. Yes, so this is the output. Okay, student name, student age, and student grade. Okay, so this is how you create Java beans and include those or use those Java beans using the action tag useBean. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you.